This is Jason from Interlux Yacht Finishes. You're watching Fridays with Foster's.
Forget about that other guy. This is Brad from Seahawk Paints and Canine Storm, and you're watching Fridays at Foster's.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Juan again, here on your favorite yacht repair reality show, Fridays at Foster's. For those of you that don't know me, I am the service manager here at Foster's Yacht Services in this beautiful Lauderdale Marine. And for those of you that do know me, you might have been surprised with my guest appearance at the Met Gala earlier this month. Hey, where's the buffet? Let's get into this week. Monday, we started off the week by receiving our new 27-foot World Cat. This vessel has some minor fiberglass repairs and a new non-skid. Not that the current non-skid's bad, but we're going to make it a light gray so that we can match the new wrap on the outside. And speaking of light upgrades, we're currently cutting out our redboard templates so that we could raise an Intrepid seat by about 6 inches so the owner could sit up higher and get a full view of the open ocean. Tuesday, we're finishing up the reinstallation of the center console on our Mako. After we've replaced the fuel tanks and we've applied new non-skid, the last step is to reinstall the center console and reattach all the electronics back to working conditions. And Wednesday...
Hi, I'm Sixto. I'm here to interrupt Huang's video. So we did some body work on the boat. First thing what we did was open up all the cracks. We put fiberglass on all the cracks. Then we came back with some body work, premium filler. We don't even it out. We came back with some primer work. We hit it back with 320. Then we came back, we hit it with some paint, buffed it, and now she's all wet.
Now that brings us to Thursday, where Mark and Brandon are taking out our 310 Sea Ray for a little sea trial. We have fabricated and installed a hydraulic lift for an automated arch. We are now able to take an entire foot of the vessel's total height. It allows it to navigate under bridges and get stored easier. And that brings us to Friday, where we are finalizing the resin infusion process on our catamaran that had the cracks in the bulbous bows. When we began this project, we started by removing the damaged areas and inserting inner laminates. We installed the Coosa board core, which we then shaped to fit the form of the bow. And here we are laying the final fiberglass sections down and infusing the resin. This avoids any risk of any air pockets in the fiberglass. And look how satisfying this time lapse is. Wow, man, I love my job. Wow, and saying the word Coosa. Coosa, Coosa. Well, that about does it here, folks. I've got to get going for a lunch with the ambassador. You know what to do. Give us a like if you like the video. Give us a share if you love the video. And I'm the host, so I know which one you're going to pick. And don't forget, folks, Foster's does almost any yacht repair under the sun. We're also now certified engine dealers, which means we can handle all your repower needs. Wait, I forgot to say that thing. We'll see you next Fridays at Foster's.